Hello, I am the Cubing Bear, and here we are going to unbox this big package of just filled with Rubik's Cubes. It is from the cubicle.us, so let's... So as we can see, it's some good packaging. We have some balloon things. Alright, so let's first take out everything. Lube, stickers, this Moyu Wangying stickers, specially cut, 2 bags, 10 cc's of speedy lube, which I love to use this for bigger cubes such as a 7x7, 6x6, 7x7 mini, 6x6, and then these I like to use something else. Also got a QJ timer, so that's what I have right now. And let me just check if I have everything. 2 Alpha C's, that's there. ShengShou Aurora, ShengShou 7. I have everything. So, actually one thing I didn't notice that I usually get from the cubicle is a card. So, let's just get unboxing, I guess. So, this is the timer. This is what it'll come with, I guess. Has a port, so you can plug it into your computer to import it. I just assume this has no batteries in, so it really won't work. You just go like that. Helps you with, I guess, competition solves. So, here's the box. It's a black one, and let's see. There's a glare. So, for competition use and cup stacking, Rubik's cubing, time machine, something that I can't read, and then let's go. So, here are the 2 bags. These are really good quality, I think. Here's, they're 2 blue bags. You can fit, a 5x5, they said, so, let's go with, the smaller cube. So this is the ShengShou Aurora. This is the new cube that ShengShou has produced. Now I'm going to show you the box and the cube itself, but let's show you the box first. It's purple, which that's a alright color. It's very dark though. Here's the white one, very cool. Then here's the pamphlet. I do like to keep boxes, so yeah. Standard ShengShou one, just teaches you how to solve. Alright, so let's just put that here, and then let's do first turns. Interesting. Wow, this is actually really surprising. I thought I would have like the smooth feeling of the other ShengShou Wind. It's very interesting. Let's look at the mechanism. So it still has the track, so you can see the lube on it. It was really lubey when I got it, but it doesn't have the tracks. It does. It's very interesting. I'll make a review on all these cubes that I got, and maybe even the lube and timer. So it's very fast. But it's a little bit locky. So let's see the corner cutting after it finishes too. So it's very tight too, or at least for me. So cuts that much. Alright, so this is either the Alpha CC1 or the Alpha CC3. I believe that's what it is. It's one of those two. I don't know how to tell. It says B. I don't even know. So Wait. Let's just open one of these. And in the comments you guys can tell. I got all of these in mostly black. Oh, whoa. I don't know what this is. That's everything in the box. Came with this. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. I'll probably look it up. So this is my first time actually trying an alpha cube. Does look like there is a crack right here. But I don't know, that could be part of the mechanism. On the yellow edge right here. There's a crack. It doesn't look like there's any other ones. It's a little bit dusty. But it probably is not going to affect it. So here's my first turn of an alpha cube. Very loud. Like, I think louder than the Moyu. Okay, so it's a little bit loose, as you can see. It's very interesting. Let's look at the mechanism. Interesting. Interesting. So it goes like somewhat like... Interesting. I can see why it would be... Like if you hear, it's rubbing on it. So, sorry about that. My camera kind of like lost all its memory, so that just gave me the opportunity to go and fix this up. So this is an interesting cube, the Alpha CC1 or CC3. I don't know exactly which one it is. So I'm just gonna put this over here and open the CC1 or CC3. I'm sorry, I don't know it. It doesn't really tell you though. I wonder if I'll get another one of these things. Yes, I will. Is this like a cube stand? See, I really do not, like, I really don't know. So, this is the Alpha CC1 or CC3, I don't know. Just get into first turn. So, let's see. I like this one a lot better. It could be because of the tensions. Yeah, this one. Oh, it's a little bit loose, but it can cut. I really like it. So let's get into the bigger cubes, I guess. So what I got is 6x6, 7x7 mini, and 7x7. Now you may be wondering, why would I get these? Well, first I would get them 6x6 because it's pink. That's everything in the box. Here's the pamphlet. We don't really care about this one. And then here's the pink one. Like, very stiff. But here's the pink one. I really like this pink. It's better than the pink Megaminx I got. The orange is kind of dull. The red is nice. Green is nice. Blue is nice. Yellow is nice. White is nice. Orange is disgusting. So, it's pretty much just ShengShou 6x6. Pretty much it. Now for the long awaited, this one is something I really wanted. Also wanted the pink ones too, because like, I like pink, I guess. Alright, so this one, this may get me into solving bigger cubes like 7x7. So, oh, it's a little bit greasy. This is very small. Let's open both of these together. Also needed a black one, so I got a black one. Just so I can compare the size. So that's a size comparison. About half a cubie. from every angle, so it makes it a lot smaller, which I really like. Let's compare it to the 6x6. It's a little bit bigger, like maybe a quarter of a QB bigger. Focus. Yeah. So let's do first turn because shouldn't really feel any different. This one is very smooth, and so yeah, actually very tight. I'd say it's a very tight puzzle. I may Florian mod this one just because I can, but I'll probably wait. So let's do a checkerboard pattern. You can hear that spring noise. Oops. A little bit of a lockup right here. What is that? Because nothing. It's getting caught on something. Like right here. Alright, let's try it. Yeah, I'm getting no catches here. Alright, it looks like the catch is gone. I messed up this Florian pattern here. Oh, I mean, checkerboard. It's like it wants to move both. Yeah, that's probably going to be a problem. I don't think this is actually usable. Because it's only on this side. The green side. Wow. So that's the whole checkerboard pattern. Let's do it on the pink one. The 6 marks. So this is the checkerboard pattern on the pink one, which looks nice. Now this one I'm worried about. The green center. So this one. You guys hear that? I think anybody can. This is the green center. Maybe a little bit of lube will fix it. Yeah. So let's go back. Let's show. Let's actually go and see how many cubes we can put in the cube bag. So here's one. Seems like you can only fit one. Maybe two if you go like this. That's cool, still good. How about a 6x6? Yep, it fits 6x6 perfectly. That's good. That's really good. A 6x6 can fit in here. Let's see a 7x7 mini, which is just a tad bigger than the 6x6. I think it will fit. I did put batteries while I was away, so just need to reset it. Go like this. You wait until the green light goes on, and then you go like that. And then it stops. So let's do a solve with the 3x3s because I'm really slow for 6x6. So let's just do a solve for each of all of these. Now I did do a couple of these solves, and I wasn't getting the same times I was getting with my main. So let's do this one. This one has a red, orange, blues there. Okay. Shoot. Don't know full PLL. So I got 19.47 on that one. So that's pretty good. That was on the ShengShou. Alright, so we just press the reset button easily. Alright, let's do this one because this one has opposites. This is good. Alright, ready, set, go. This one's a little bit locky. Yeah, I got 25 seconds, which isn't good. Alright, let's do this solve. Reset, because when I went to my first competition, that was a issue with mine. I forgot to reset on my pairwing solve. So this one's also a little bit locked. Oh, yeah. PLL skip. So the alpha cubes are a little bit locky, but that could be because of the tensions. I have to tell you, this one is really loose. This one's also a little bit loose, and then this one's good. This is the ShengShou cube. It's really different. I would recommend getting this one. Now I'm gonna do a full-on review on all of these cubes. So thank you very much. Bye.